Ferrari Spider. You can tell. Look. It tells you the date right here. This is 5 years old. There we go. Look at that. See that? Easy. Ooh. Yup. And it's in. There we go. Expected at all. You know, we have our race mode, we have our sport mode here, and so I have it on race mode right now, and currently the car has an aftermarket exhaust, and we do have the rear window open, and so I'll roll it up, and so you see how the cabin just sounds much quieter, it's more suppressed. It's amazing how Ferrari engineered this vehicle. So, and I'm gonna roll it back down because I love that engine sound, you know what I'm saying? So I'm in third gear, I'm about to shift down. Oh my gosh, that's awesome.